Welcome to DFIRST AI, your new creative engine. In DFIRST, you can work in two modes, the Advanced Whiteboard mode and the simplified feed mode. In the feed mode, we will start by uploading a packshot from my computer. Then I browse image generators and I choose Nano Banana Pro that I also added to my favorites for future use. Here you can choose the number of images you will receive, the resolution of images, and the aspect ratio of the specific format. Type your prompt, you can enhance it here, and click Generate. After a moment, you will receive first results, and you can use those results as references for next generations, or simply start generating more creatives based on your brief. In DFIRST, you can generate images, videos, audio, text, code, conduct research, and scrape data. Let's review our results, and when you hover over them, you will find contextual actions to further enhance them. For example, by clicking Outpaint, you will get an interactive tool to expand your images. Select the number of images you want, and your outpainted image is done. When you click Edit with AI, you can provide modifications to your image. And in this case, I wanted to reformat it for different ratios. In DFIRST, you can also find an image editor that is similar to Canva. Here you can further adjust your images by correcting brightness, saturation, and other parameters. You can apply filters, add your text, or put logos directly on your creatives. You can also find a library of social media formats to quickly crop your images according to platform specifics. Remember that anytime you can switch to the Whiteboard mode, a visual canvas where you can have a bigger view on the assets created and have more control on the workflow. In this example, I quickly generated a workflow to create more assets based on my main key visual. Now, let's turn our image into a video by clicking this action. Selected image will be automatically sent to the video tool, where you can pick your model from the list, and in this example, I picked Kling. Then I wrote my prompt, selected the duration of the movie, and decided whether to include the audio as well. After a short while, I received my video that I can further enhance by going to our editor. Here, you can modify your clips, crop them, adjust settings such as brightness or contrast, add logos or text on it, similarly to the image editor that I presented before. Let's save our changes, and then when you click Edit with AI, you can write your prompt to naturally explain your desired outcome. Next, we are picking our text tool, and I started with generation of some Instagram content for a product. Remember that anytime you can switch the mode and work on the whiteboard as well. Here you can also download previous content in PDF, docx, or save it to our data room for future use. Now I wanted to generate a script for a music commercial. I picked the audio tool, pasted my script, and received my result.
Formulated with cooling cucumber and restorative panthenol, it sinks into calm redness and lock in that bouncy hydration we all crave.
The last tool that I wanted to present is our AI agent. It will build full workflows for you. In this example, I wanted to generate website content for a product, and in short time, the agent generated a 14-step plan for the workflow. It picked the right AI models for us, it wrote its own prompts, and strategically orchestrated the whole data flow. This amount of content is comparable to an output that you would receive from a top marketing agency, but you'll get it in 20 minutes and not in 2 weeks. That was an overview of main DFIRST AI features. We noticed that the best results are achieved when you work in a hybrid mode, switching between the AI agents, the feed mode, and the whiteboard mode, depending on the complexity of your task. Thank you.